Hello students, my name is Mr. Anderson, and I'm here in Westchester, Ohio, originally to practice my mindfulness with Glenn Turndrup. Now today, this video is going to be about invasive species. Here is an invasive species called honeysuckle, which is affecting the various keystone species that are relied upon this environment. And when these harm the keystone species, this environment goes down as a whole. Now, honeysuckle was originally brought in 1806 from Eastern Asia as an ornamental plant. So some of the effects that honeysuckle has on these Ohio species plants are various. Whoa.
Who are you?
I'm Mr. Anderson from Bozeman. Who are you?
I'm Mr. Bush.
Oh, well, Mr. Bush, how is your life going?
My life's going alright except for this honeysuckle damaging my environment by taking my sunlight and taking up some rainwater.
Ah, that's sad. Well, what is your life expectancy going to be after this honeysuckle impacts most of your species?
This honeysuckle is very damaging to my lifespan and my friends. I've had a bunch of friends had their lives ended short because of honeysuckle taking their nutrients.
Horrendous. So one of the possible solutions is cut off the branch that covers the most sunlight so sunlight gets to those plants.
I'm Ryan Armbrust from the University of Kansas State, and I have another possible solution which actually can work better. If you spray right at this trunk, it can actually kill the plant, and I'm trying to be careful not to spray at other plants so it doesn't kill that either. So this is the website we use in our research. It's a secondary source because Lisa Rodriguez wrote it, and the research she used came from Ryan Armbrust, and that's who we quote in our video. So yeah, that's why it's a secondary source.
So our source, Ryan Armbrust, is the Forest Health and Conservation Forester for the Kansas Forest Service. That's a very well-known organization that helps conserve the environment and keep the environment and ecosystem functioning correctly.
So Ryan Ambrose, the quoted evidence that we use from him, a little bit of background is that he went to the Kansas State University and studied the Conservation Trees program and the Forest Health program. And he's focused on improving production of seeding trees, researching propagation of male eastern red cedar clones, and working with grants to limit the spread of emerald ash borer and to mitigate bush honeysuckles in eastern Kansas. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you.
Surprise!
Tough day of mindfulness. It's time to play. Hey, what are you doing here? Get out of here! Get out of here! Ooh! Ow! Ow! Ow!